Hi, my name is Owen Evans, Chief Inspector here at Estyn, and I'm delighted today that we're publishing our annual report. Last year we published our interim findings, what we see in schools, colleges, all sorts of settings across Wales, but today we published the detail, what's really going on. And so it gives a really good snapshot of exactly what's happening in education and training in Wales. We've chunked it, we've tried to make it accessible and easy for you to read, but also it'll be supported with a wealth of case studies that hopefully you'll read, but also it'll be backed up by some podcasts about improving practice that will use some of the practitioners and some of the best case studies we've used as part of that. So I hope it's of use. We'll also be looking at some thematic work we've done, some things that are cross-cutting, things like independent learning and things like the impact of leadership on education. So hopefully there'll be something in it for everyone. Have a look at the website, have a look at your sector and let us know what you think. Diolch.